Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. We're here at the airport of Indonesia. We're going to stay here for 1 week guys. So explore natin ang magagandang lugar dito sa Bali, Indonesia. So samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go! So yan yung airport ng Indonesia. Then, palabas na kami guys. Papunta na kami ngayon sa hotel na tutuluyan namin. So, 2 hotel ang i-stayan namin dito for 1 week. So, the first 3 days, mag-i-stay kami sa Kamanaiya Hotel. So, ayan na guys yung Kamanaiya Hotel located at Seminyak, Bali. So, ayan guys. So, eto, pagpasok mo, makikita nyo na yung lobby ng Kamanaiya Hotel. So, ayan guys, we're waiting for our room. So, ikot-ikot tayo guys. Let's see. So, ayan na yung room namin guys. 2 kwarto ang kinuha namin. Isa para sa mga anak ko and then isa para sa akin at sa pinsan ko. So, as usual, yung nakikita nyo sa hotel, may bathroom, may beds, may cabinet, may mini rep, may TV, and may overlooking view. So, tingnan natin guys. So, ayan. Wow, puro building lang sa labas. Okay guys. So, ayan guys. So, late na yung dating namin dito guys. So, we're going to eat our lunch. So, eto, pumunta kami sa Warung Nia Restaurant. So, dito rin yan sa may Seminyak, Bali. So, ayan guys. Ang mga in-order namin ay chicken satay, barbecue, shrimp, with salted egg, nasi goreng. Oh, nasi goreng is very popular here in Indonesia. And roasted spare ribs. Ang sarap ng pagkain dito guys. And mura pa. And then after that, we proceed to Ubud Souvenir Market. So, itong market na to is same as Divisoria in Pinas. So, nandito lahat yung mga tianggi nila. So, ayan yung mga murang mabibilan nyo ng mga souvenirs or pasalubong sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay. So, the second day guys, meron kaming buffet breakfast in the hotel. So, ayan guys, marami kayong pagpipilian dito. May mga siomai, may congee, at marami pang iba guys. So, after this breakfast in the hotel, yan, pumunta naman kami guys sa Monkey Forest. Ang Monkey Forest it's itong nature preserve na place. So, yan guys. Yan guys. Monkey Forest is one of the Bali's most popular tourist spot. So, yan, makikita nyo yung mga monkey dito. Ito ang habitat ng monkey. So, ayan, it's very fun but be careful guys kasi yung mga monkey dito, kapag naamoy na may pagkain kayo, better you throw it to them na lang rather than hablutin yung mga gamit nyo. Okay? Ingatan nyo ang mga gamit nyo guys. Kasi maaari yung hablutin ng mga monkey. So, ayan guys. So, very fun to see all these monkeys inside the forest. So, ayan guys. So, daming tao. And yung pagkain nila dito guys is yung kamote guys. Ayan sila. Kaya ingatan ang mga gamit nyo. Yan, nakakatuwa sila guys. Next na pinuntahan namin guys ay itong Alas Harum. Ang Alas Harum guys ay isang coffee plantation in a jungle setting with tourists and tastings. May landscape din sila guys, sculpture, and zip lines. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Tagalalang, Bali, Indonesia. 20 minutes away from Central Ubud. So, ayan guys. So, makikita nyo kung paano nila ginagawa itong mga coffee. So, ayan, for example, ito, kailangan babayuhin mo yung mga kanilang mixture for the coffee. Then yan guys, papasok na kami sa loob. And then sa loob makikita nyo ang iba't ibang coffee shop dito. And then yung zip line ay makikita nyo from up. So, ayan guys, yung glass nila, nakakatakot. Very scary kasi hanggang baba makikita nyo. And then, yan, nag-snack kami, nag-order kami ng coffee. And, of course, yung kanilang bread. Super delicious and yummy, guys. And then, the next destination na pinuntahan namin na itong Pura Tirtha Temple. Well, ang Pura Tirtha Temple ay isang Hindu-Balinese water temple located near the town of Tampak Siring, Bali, Indonesia. So, itong temple na to consists of a petirtaan or bathing structure famous for its holy spring water, where Balinese Hindus go to for a ritual purification called Melukat. So, ayan sila, oh. Andun sila sa may tubig. Ito yung holy water nila. And then, dyan sila nagwi-wish, nagdadasal. So, ayan guys, napakarami. Then, you have to wear before we go inside, we have to wear the sarong. So, yung sarong is required to wear it before you go inside the temple. So, for respect, guys. And then, kumain naman kami sa isang crave restaurant with a beautiful place. Amazing food. Yan, guys. Great drinks. And also, meron silang fast service dito and very accommodating staff. And then, we go to sa Sundari Spa. Itong Sundari Day Spa, guys, ay matatagpuan sa Kuta, Indonesia, Utara. Very amazing place. Good massage treatment. And then they have relaxing ambience. And also yung mga staff nila, very nice. And then we're here at Meraputi Restaurant, one of the finest dining restaurants in Bali. So dito kami nag-celebrate ng birthday ng aking uniko iho. Celebrating his 30th birthday, guys. So ayan ang mga pagkain namin. Ang sasarap, guys. And very yung kanilang plating talagang very nice, and also the staff, guys. So ayan, ang sarap, guys, ng mga pagkain dito, and I'm very happy for my son also. And then on the fourth day, we transferred to Alof Balikutat Beach Walk Hotel. So ito 4-star hotel to, guys. Yan, may swimming pool sila dito, guys. And then may restaurant. Yan, sa lobby, pag enter mo, meron silang welcoming popsicle. Then ito na tayo, guys, sa kwarto. Bali, 2 kwarto ang kinuha namin, guys. Isa para sa mga anak ko, and also isa para sa akin at sa pinsan ko. So napakalaki ng kwarto, guys. Yan. And then meron din silang balcony. So dito sa kwarto, paglabas mo makikita mo na yung overlooking view niya. Ang ganda, guys. Yan. Pwede ka rin mag-rest dyan, magpahinga, or magmuni-muni. Ayan, guys, napakaganda na at napakahangin pa. Ayan, guys, ang Alof Hotel. So, ito yung swimming pool inside the hotel. So, dito, sa baba ng hotel, guys, ito naman yung mall. So, bababa ka lang, yan na. Pwede ka na mamasyal sa mall. Yan. Ang ganda dito, guys. And then, we decided to eat in Sushi Hero. Ito yung isang Japanese restaurant dito sa Bali. So, yan. Very cozy yung place niya, guys. Yung ambience niya is really very relaxing. Yan, malinis. So, yan, guys. So, order na kami, guys. So, ayan. So, favorite ko ang sashimi. So, hindi mawawala yan sa order ko, guys. Ayan. May tempura. May noodles. Mayroong mga, dito, sashimi and sushi. And then after we eat, we go to Melissa. Ayan. And then, meron pa silang pamaskot dito. Ayan. So, picture-picture ka lang dyan sa mascot, and then you give a donation. And then we walk on the outside of the hotel. Yan. Pumunta kami dyan, and then nasa Tukis Coco, naman kami, restaurant. So, yan. Order kami ng mga fruit juice, coconut juice. Yan, guys. So, yan, guys. Ikot-ikot lang ang lola nyo. And then, doon sa loob ng mall, meron din siya mga tiangge. So, it's more cheaper compare inside the mall. So, ayan. Pili-pili lang tayo na mabibili, guys, for pasalubong and souvenir. And then, we go to the in-house swimming pool. So, yan na, guys. So, we're having fun. Me and my daughter are having fun in the swimming pool. So, ayan. Very relaxing and, oh my God, talagang napaka, relaxing, at yung ating mapifeel dito is ibang-iba talaga, guys. Ayan, enjoy lang. Super duper yung playing namin dito, guys. With my daughter and my cousin. Ayan, laro-laro lang kami, guys, sa tubig. And then, on the 5th day, guys, ito, bumaba kami to eat our breakfast. Buffet breakfast to, guys, inside the hotel. So, yan. Ang dami yung pagpipilian, guys, ng mga pagkain. So, ikot-ikot natin. Pipili tayo, guys, kung ano ang masarap kainin for breakfast. So, yan, guys. Diyos ko, sa dami, guys, hindi ko alam kung ano ang aking pipiliin. But then, yun. After that, we go to the beach. So, dito palakad-lakad kami, guys, to see yung paglubog ng araw. So, yan, guys. It's really fun of walking here. So, 3 minutes lang walking from the hotel. Itong kanilang Bali Beach. So, ayan yung mga anak ko, guys. Picture. Very amazing, guys. So, sandali lang, nandiyan ka na. And then, in the night naman, yan, we have a dinner. So, ang lalaki ng serving nila, guys, sa hotel. So, ayan, oh. Ang daming in-order na anak ko. So, let's eat, guys. This is our dinner. Yan. May mga dessert, drinks, and then yung mga main course nila. Yan. Iba-iba, guys. May chicken. Thank you, guys. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.